Welcome back. You're watching India Today, and let's now get to a roundup of all the latest that's coming in internationally on the coronavirus outbreak. Let's take this across to our Corona India dashboard to get you the latest numbers first on the number of cases at this point across the world due to coronavirus. The world update first. The number of cases has in fact risen to 29,17,073. The death toll has crossed 2 lakh at this point internationally. The good news, of course, is that a number of people have been recovering, particularly in the last 1 week in places like the United States. Let's tell you what the latest numbers are in United States, where Trump has said that America has crossed its peak and that things are getting better now. 9,39,249 cases of coronavirus and 53,934 deaths have been reported in the United States. This means that US has the most number of cases across the world at this point of coronavirus. In Europe also, there is some good news coming in that the number of cases has definitely declined. So has the death toll. The number of confirmed cases now stands at 2,23,759. The death toll almost reaching 23,000 here. Even in Italy, the situation is the same. The numbers may be alarming, but definitely you're seeing that there has been a decline in the number of cases being reported on a daily basis. These are the latest numbers in Italy, where the death toll has reached 26,384. So that is the latest that we're putting out for you as far as the numbers go. So as you can see, in the last 24 hours, the number of cases, the number of deaths in places like the United States, in Spain, in Italy, it's all come down, which is why now the lockdown also is being eased. And we're getting you a roundup of all the updates on that front.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.